Other issues concerning Alfred Woyome. Now, Deputy Attorney General Joseph Dindiok Benka has admitted the whole of Woyome's assets cannot offset the remaining debt owed the state. Benka, who spoke on 3FM's morning show Sunrise with host Winston Amwa, said the state would have to find other options available to make up for the deficit.
The embattled businessman Alfred Woyome, who was wrongfully paid 51 million cedis for helping Ghana raise funds to construct stadia for purposes of hosting the CAN 2008 Nations Cup, has so far refunded 4.6 million Ghana cedis. Concerns have been raised about what government is doing to collect the 51.2 million Ghana cedi debt the National Democratic Congress financier owes the state. The Attorney General had earlier gone to court for orders to sell assets of the businessman. Deputy Attorney General Joseph Dindiok Benka said once a judgment has been given, the state would do everything within its means to retrieve the rest of the money.
To the best of my knowledge, they may not be enough to offset the entire debt, but we're still looking for other assets of it within and outside of the jurisdiction. As and when they are available, we should be able to do that. Once a judgment of a court, and it's a competent court at that, it ought to be implemented. Otherwise, there is no need to go to court if at the end of it all, nothing can be retrieved. And remember that people are impatient about this.
In a related development, Joseph Benka said the case involving former embattled GFA President Kwesi Nyantakyi is still with the Ghana Police Department. Nyantakyi was captured in an investigative piece number 12 for allegedly taking bribe, but the Deputy AG, who said he did not want to pass conclusive judgment on the matter, said the court would determine whether Nyantakyi was a private person or a public official when he received the bribery money.
There are primary ingredients. At the time that he was engaged in the act in faraway Dubai, was he a public or private person? I am telling you that if you are a public official, a Ghanaian public official, and you go out of Ghana and commit a criminal offense, you can't be brought back here and tried by a provision in our criminal code. But if you are a private person and you go out of Ghana and commit an offense, I'll put a question mark.
He said the referees who accepted the bribe would be tried on individual cases.